Darren McDonald from Total Trainer, and today I'm going to show you some easy late night snack recipes that are both tasty and won't damage your waistline. Many people get hungry late at night after they've put their kids to bed or they're just unwinding from a hectic day. In fact, it's a myth that you shouldn't eat anything directly before you go to bed. You just have to be careful to use items that are high in protein and low in carbohydrates and fat, because the protein will actually help your muscles recover at night and burn fat even while you sleep. On the flip side of that, eating foods such as popcorn or pretzels or ice cream directly before you go to bed when you're least active will be turned into sugar in the bloodstream and then into triglycerides, which are easily stored as body fat. Since most people are either in the mood for something sweet or savory, I'm going to show you a few options for each. Let's start with savory. Here we have a chicken flatbread sandwich that we've made with some low-carb flatbread. We've brushed that with a little bit of store-bought pesto. We've added some chicken slices, some low-fat cheese, and some tomato slices that have been put under the broiler until it's toasted. Next, a chicken quesadilla made with low-carb tortillas, some low-fat cheese, diced onions, and a little bit of cilantro. And of course, we're going to finish that off with just a little bit of barbecue sauce that's no sugar, low carb, and no fat. So are you ready for the sweet? Our first recipe calls for low-fat ricotta cheese, which you can find in any grocery store. For those of you familiar with Italian desserts, this is what's inside of what they call a cannoli. So we're going to take a low-fat ricotta cheese. We're going to mix a little bit of Splenda or stevia in it for the sweet taste with some lemon extract flavor and a few blueberries to come up with this delicious high-protein sweet snack. And finally, are you ready for this? We're going to have French toast. That's right, I said French toast before you go to bed. The real secret to this is in the bread, because we love this Julian Bakery low-carb bread, high in protein and low in carbs. And the protein in this is actually sprouted grain, so it's usable by the body. We're going to take that and we're going to make a batter from 1 egg and 1 egg white that we whisk together. And then we're going to take the bread and we're going to put it in the batter on each side, put it in the skillet, brown it up, and we're going to finish that off with a little bit of no sugar maple syrup that we can smear over the top of this, add a few berries, and there you go. That's how you make easy late night snack recipes. And there you have it. I'm Darren McDonald for Total Trainer saying, remember, be good to your metabolism and it'll be good to you. For more information on how to boost your metabolism and to find out your personal body chemistry, please check out our website at www.gototaltrainer.com, and you can find these delicious recipes posted there on our blog as well.